see him? Him. I swear for Jesus, if people thought like we was cousins or something, the way we hang out, right? So today he's actually taking me on a journey that I've never been on with my father. And I've been asking my dad to do this for years, to go to the range with me, but I'm going with the homies. So we're about to go shoot something. What's good, Pimmin?
What's up? What's the word? Yo, so I felt like today, since we always doing training and we always working with these hands, but we live in this new world, we need to go and learn how to defend ourselves with weapons training. So we're gonna go pop up a couple firearms.
Legal firearms.
And we're gonna see what it do, man. We're gonna get right.
That's what it is, y'all.
Let's go.
Be safe, but stay dangerous.
Always.
Yeah. So, who knows? Hey, look at y'all new best friend.
Hey, bestie. Man, she gonna leave her purse and everything over there.
Oh wow, she left her belongings.
She take a poop.
Oh, hold on, wait. Oh yeah, look, she's sneaking over towards the tree, guys. Look, she's about to pop a squiz hot. Oh shit, watch out. Somebody just, like, literally just hit it. Like, oh, people. Vegas, learn how to drive. Okay.
Yo, how come the video
Oh, the hundreds? It'll never sell. Never.
Is it an active venue though?
Nope. It's not an active venue. It's just a historical landmark of Las Vegas.
Yeah, like we should.
Bruh. If you've ever seen the inside of that, oh my God, bro. We could do so much with that.
What's it like?
You could continue to be a rock star. I could run a film industry from in there, and we would be fine.
What's it like?
Imagine backstage bar and billiards.
Still haven't been there. But you know, I performed there on September 27th for the Las Vegas Beach Boys. Las Vegas Cannabis Beach Boys.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that is downtown. Yes, sir. Okay, I get to run into some of the old folks in there then.
It's going down.
So their production crew in there is Digital Wolf Productions.
Okay.
They're the people I was shooting with during the pandemic, doing the live streams.
Okay.
This is right like when we met.
Okay.
So during the pandemic, I was doing Rebecca Parrott's aerial yoga, and then a CBD cooking class with another chef, and that was a live stream on Instagram. I produced that. And then at night, I would go down to backstage bar and billiards at Fremont Country Club, depending on where they were filming in, and we would do live stream concerts during the pandemic. So I was working either, when I first got there, I worked C-Cam. And then it quickly became, I was either A or B cam, or I was the guy brave enough to grab the gimbal on the mosh pits and get in there. And the last time I did that, I said, never again. Never again.
I just watched this again. I'm definitely fucking with the hottest man alive.
Nigga, what did you...
She be hyping me up, fuck up.
Nigga, I'm telling you.
Hey, she just said a
You
standard.
don't
If you don't treat
understand.
me like she treat me, I don't want you.
Nigga, she is the perfect embodiment of I like who likes me. She tells me she likes me, so I like her back.
Yeah.
The perfect embodiment of
You
it.
ain't giving me that same energy. I don't want you.
Especially her energy. She give you the same energy, drunk, high, sober. Like, if it ain't you, she don't want it. And what would you do if we did that? Bought out one of them and turned it out.
The niggas going to that's crazy.
What would you do if we turned out like a Kmart or a Walgreens or something like that?
Oh, Walmart.
Think about it,
That's
bro.
Universal Studios
You see the
over there.
property space on that? That's studios.
On top of studio.
Like, we talking studios. On top of studio. But
We talking studio.
this nigga,
On top of studio. I'm talking. Sorry.
this nigga here, see, look, he wanna start singing and shit.
I'm gonna
And
hit the SpongeBob. Krusty Krab, hey, open pizza.
this nigga said, I've been listening. He said, look, SpongeBob got a hold on me, bro. SpongeBob got a hold on me,
Tell me about
bro.
the square pants, dog.
The square pants. I'm dead, bro.
Alright, so man, we about to go pop off. Get our rocks up. Tell your bitch I'll be over later to knock her socks off.
Cheese. Oh, but yeah, we actually about to go shoot pistols, firearms that are legal in state of Nevada to be open carry. So do not be surprised if you see mine on my hip in its holster, but outside my shirt. Cause look, if Jonathan so-and-so can walk around with his and not be considered a threat just because I got melanin in my skin and we're part of the original people that built this earth. I'm just saying. I thought we should have a first right to that.
Yeah,
But you know, we're not the Europeans who committed mass
I
genocide.
will sit up in Little Darlings right now and eat some chicken wings and not say nothing to none of those.
Hey, minks, steak dinner.
I was about to say, nigga, it's 3 o'clock. I gotta get these kids out post.
Yeah, you gotta get the kiddos, but
They good up there?
I got a
I haven't eaten
recommendation.
their food. I just normally just go up there and play pool if I know.
See, if I go because the homie worked there, and then I know a couple of girls that work there, so I'm just, you know what I'm saying, I'm just gonna kick it, be cool, you know what I'm saying, and every girl I ran into in there, I get cool with, you feel me? Like, on some grown man type shit, really.
I'm just not into these shorties trying to like take money out of niggas now.
I don't like it when you're aggressively greedy. Be subtly greedy with me.
Like if you chill, I might.
Be subtly greedy with me. I'll give you some money.
But if you want something,
But if you want some, give me some money. But if you just coming over here being cool, chill, da 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 da, you know, hey girl, before you leave, sprinkle something on you real quick.
nah,
Just
I
being-
want her to pay me.
I mean, that's always the narrative. But when I go to a place where I support single mothers,
Just trying to get a degree, make it through nursing school.
you know, so I'm trying to make it through nursing school. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to do my part. I need to help fund your dreams. And I know you call every guy in here handsome. It's rare when they kick it with you for the free.
Yeah.
When you get the ones that kick it with you for the free and start flirting with you,
You know what, bro? After this, let's just go have a drink.
I mean, I'm not
I
I'm not opposed to a
I
beverage.
ain't trying to pay for nothing besides a drink.
I'm not opposed to a beverage inside of a nice gentleman's lounge.
They might go look sad for her. Where haven't I been yet, though?
Tell him, look, okay, hold on, wait. How long you got the kids?
I got them until tomorrow.
All right.
Then I got work. Nah, I'm down to just go get a drink for like an
No,
hour.
I'm telling you, we're gonna go to Minx one night
It's gonna be a Sunday night.
before I go to Columbia, and we will enjoy a nice steak. This is the recommendation I got. It's the steak dinner with the Cajun shrimp.
I'll take the dinner.
Oh yeah, you don't do shrimp.
Not the shrimp.
Coast to coast. Call 844-711.
Are you allergic to seafood?
Nah, bro, I just don't eat fucking ocean wraps. Like I don't eat pigs. Everything they eat, you eat.
Okay, so I forgot.
But also my kosher diet. So that's not what sold me on it. What sold me on it was the fact that if I don't eat pigs because them niggas just eat any and everything, and I'm putting it in my body, why the fuck would I eat something else from the ocean?
Hey, I want to know how many pigs that humans have eaten that also have eaten a human body.
I'm gonna talk to the mafia about that one.
You feel me? Cause bro, I was thinking about that, like, you know they use pigs to like
They probably just chop up shit.
do things. Nah, bro. They really use pigs to get rid of bodies, bro. Cause they will eat the bone.
I seen this shit crowded today. Every time I want to come shooting, all of a sudden everybody in Vegas got the same idea.
Why? Don't you hate that idea? Like, goddamn, I know this place is cracking. No, like, I'm glad the place is getting business, but damn it, I want to shoot. Or I want to do something. Like, I want to enjoy myself
what day
at
is it?
this location.
Tuesday, watch.
All right, we here. Where are we at, nigga?
I don't know, but I'll probably put that away until we get inside the actual ring.
All right, we yeah. Time to shut her down, motherfuckers.
Oh, he got hit. Boy, that got hit in his arm.
Look, he done shot the hostage. And look, hey, why you shoot the hostage in the lungs, bro?
Bro, I'll shoot him up.
You shot the hostage. Look, and the hostage got his jaw clipped.
That's all it takes.
Bruh,
Look,
it's all bad. Y'all see that? It's all bad.
I'm not aiming to save a life and feel like that. Hey, you got it, gang. You got it, gang. I ain't put my people like that. You got it, gang.
He said you good. Go ahead. Like, you got me on this. That's hilarious. Oh, that's funny as hell. He said, look, bro, if we doing this, like, you just gotta die. Now I'm nervous.
Alright, so look. Point your body towards it, bro. Look. On your sight. Put it in between that. Hands are loose, but do not compensate for the recoil and try to push down.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
So I need to come down, yeah. Because I clipped him, but I ain't clipped him. Yep. Look.
Or you gotta push it down more.
Here. Go.
When you drop it, just
Oh, that's a lot better.
yeah, you grouped them better. Yeah, so you get
Who was aiming for his lungs and they end up shooting them all in the neck. But hey, hey.
Yeah, that's
Really bad shots.
Yeah, I see that blue dot over there. That was crazy.
that was cozy.
Don't put anything behind this.
I shot a gun.
When you
That was all headshot.
Boy, stop.
That was all head.
See, look, man. It's my first time, bro. Take it easy on me, big dog.
It's okay. Just do one. And you'll be fine. Once you've
This
done
nigga
one,
right here.
you'll be like, oh, I'll do another.
Actually, the funny thing is what? Okay, I used to have a fear of it because of the.
Well, you got no
actually,
headphones right now, gang.
but the actual, even as a kid, headphones on, everything like that. That it's the pressure. Boom. You know what I'm saying? In the air, you can feel it.
No rush.
Also in a safe environment too.
Just do it.
But
But yeah, but do it. Perfect. Okay.
my closest encounter with pistols was always been some street shit. So
You're in a safe environment right now.
yeah, but no, like that. My fear was and the pop. That's what it was. I'll do it. I'm like, you see me, the song like pop, 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 pop. Fly style is ski.
Are you not going to shoot this? Watch how you're walking the guy.
Cool thing about my gun.
Fantastic.
You see? So the cool thing about it,
Really?
this ain't up. Now see how
That's
it's up.
fine. You nearly shot him in the head. So that's good.
That's wild.
So
And there's no grip, there's no safety. That's the only safety. Like, it won't go unless you're gripping.
yeah. Okay, so probably make your finger.
Oh,
I see you hitting.
Yeah.
You gotta think about it. Look,
Yeah, I killed that.
the reason I don't care about the targets really is because most of your gunfights are like right here.
Oh, right here.
Or about, bro, right there, so about right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the thing is,
Honey, I'm proud of you.
this whole thing is somebody's body, bro. That whole paper is.
Think about it.
As long as you're getting in that middle area.
Okay, so my second and third rounds, I actually, if you think about it in that aspect, I actually fucked that up.
Yeah. Nigga, ain't nobody trying to get market in this bitch.
Just trying to
Trying to save my life.
I just trying to get this nigga down.
Yeah.
And you not gonna keep shooting me, nigga.
Not today.
Not today, Gina.
Yo. Is it better here?
I gotta get this bitch oiled. Hey, go ahead, bro. Get the rest of
Pay attention to these sights, man. Put down the sight. Put that horse right on the tank, alright? You can load it.
Uh-oh. Big dog. We've got the jammer.
bitch up. You need another live one down there, right?
So, we're watching. I'm like, read a lot better. I just had to do it. I just had to get over it and do it.
start, my boy?
Yo, so I got over a fear of mine, you guys, and I actually shot my first firearm. So what did I shoot?
You shot the Springfield XDS subcompact 9mm.
Yeah, and after going after some hand feels, we had figured out
You tried the Echelon. You tried the Hellcat.
the Hellcat, the Echelon,
The Ruger.
2 Rugers, and something else. But I like the Springfield in hand.
Springfield is always a go.
And then actually after shooting one, oh yeah, totally over the fear. It was one of those rational, irrational fears, but actually after you do it, you're good at it. Like, not good at it,
I mean, he hit his target.
now,
Hey, if this was a body, pull that up to your body.
if this was a body, I fucked this nigga up though.
Yeah, fuck all these targets. You don't fuck the nigga up.
Like, that nigga's whole chest is gone.
Gone.
So, putting it in that kind of retrospect, I'm proud of myself.
I'm proud of you too.
Proud of myself.
Welcome to
Now,
Wild Wild West.
after I get back from work in 27 days, because I leave in 20, gone for 7, they will definitely be seeing me back here unless I haven't conned somebody's father-in-law. hey Terry, how you doing? To letting me buy something he's got that's similar, but if not, I will spend almost close to $1,000 getting the gun I want.
Just early?
But we were at where do we go? We were at Top Shot, Las Vegas, and inside they call it Machine Gun Factory, but this is Top Shot Vegas. Go inside there, 3084 Suite C. Go get your shoot on. Shoot your first gun, shoot your second gun, shoot your third gun, but go have fun. Learn how to defend yourself. For real.